My name is Maka, and the Igbo words for today is Indewo. Hello. Indewo. Hello. Kemisya. Goodbye. Kemisya. Goodbye. Biko. Please. Biko. Please. Dalu. Thanks. Dalu. Thanks. Eyi. Yes. Eyi. Yes. Mba. No. Mba. No. Aha Mubu. My name is Aha Mubu. My name is Makagini. Why? Makagini. Why? Amagimu. I don't know. Amagimu. I don't know. Kemisya, that is all for today. Please remember to subscribe, comment, like, and share. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Kemisya.